This is how the iSteam 2.0 works. How to set the time on an iSteam controller. Press the screen, go to the setting mode, press set time, set clock to your actual time, and press save. To set the display, press display. You can adjust your brightness or your screensaver on or off, and then press save. To set your passcode, press passcode. Enter any 4-digit code you like, press pass lock on, and press save. To turn on your Wi-Fi, press passcode. Enable Wi-Fi on, your MAC number will pop up, and press save. To set your auto start, press auto start. Select days, and select which time you would like, and whether you'd like your chroma or aroma on, and press the on button, and save. You'll notice when your auto start is on when you see your auto start icon in the top right hand corner. To go back to the home screen, press the back arrow key. If you want to start your Steam, press Start. It'll be preset at 20 minutes. If you'd like to change your duration for shorter or longer, press the 20 minutes and adjust with the swipe of a finger and press Save. To change your temperature, press Temperature and adjust with the swipe of a finger and press Save. To turn your chroma light on, press the light bulb icon. To turn your aroma on, press the aroma icon button. To play music, you will need the audio wizard connected. Press the music icon. From there, you can adjust volume and select your favorite track. To preset a personal setting, press User 1 or User 2. Adjust your time or temperature that you would like. Also, you can preset chroma and aroma. To connect any Bluetooth-capable device, press the music icon and then press the Bluetooth icon. You can also access the chroma and music without having your Steam on by pressing Accessories, turn your chroma icon on and your music icon on.